Introducing Advanced Cathedral Shank for RhinoArtisan. Design cathedral shanks with complete control over every element. Add as many profiles as your design requires. Edit each one individually, or update them all at once to keep your workflow fast and consistent. Refine every parameter of the shank and explore new bridge styles. Enhance your design by adding gemstones, or create beautiful graduated layouts with complete control over stone sizes from start to finish. The channel adapts automatically to the changing gemstone sizes, while the prongs scale seamlessly to maintain a clean and balanced setting. Use intuitive gumball controls to refine the shank and position your gemstones with simple drag-and-drop adjustments. From the overall structure to the finest detail, every element remains fully parametric, allowing your design to evolve effortlessly. Advanced Cathedral Shank, available in RhinoArtisan.